So here we have my old coolant tank that's, as you can see, leaking, split up here. I ordered the new one from Japan, which has taken 4 weeks to get here. So all I need to do, which is going to be hard to do with one hand, we're going to pull these wee clips off there, undo the bolts there, and then I've done it once before, lift it out and it should be good to go. So I've got the 10mm spanner. Like so, and as you can see, that starts to become loose. Then you want to pull these two guys together to get this hose free, and that, as you can see, there's the one down and below now to get, which is the messy one. I'm just going to give this a quick wipe just to get rid of some of the excess pinky bits, and we'll crack on. New one, as you can see, Denso made in Japan underneath. Comes with all the little attachments, which is perfect, and you can see this guy is pretty manky.